Hi everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. I'm trying out this two connectors. This one right here, the one you use a heat gun to shrink it, and this one right here, that one right there. I would recommend this one right here. It's a lot easier to do for connecting, and it really holds it. Really holds the wire, as you can see. All you have to do is um, take up a little bit, like a quarter inch of wire, and put it in the hole right there. When you put it in, you make sure this is up. Let me pull this up. Make sure that is up right there. And then once the wire is inside that hole, all you have to do is put it down. And that's all it is. You see it right there. I'm rewiring my auxiliary fan for this old Mercedes 240D 1976, and that's the best way to do it right there. No solder, no heat gun, and all you do is like a quarter inch of wire on each side, and that's it. So easy. And now I'm gonna do this connector here because I don't trust this connector anymore. This is the original Mercedes connector, and it's kind of rusted and crusty already, as you can see right there. So I'm just gonna cut this off and then use this connector. All right, it's available everywhere, um Walmart, Amazon, or eBay. All right, thank you everybody. Subscribe to my channel, and I guess I will tell you right now, it's a lot better than using this one right here. You're gonna need um, a lighter or a heat gun to connect that. And it's not that, see, it's so thin. It's just like a straw. Not like this one here. It's like heavy duty and looks professional too. See right there, it looks a lot professional than this one right here. All right, thanks everybody. Bye.